Hello, this is Will and Well Armed. Today we're looking at the Bul Armory SAS-2 Tactical Government in 9mm. About 2 months ago I did a video of the same thing, the little sister, and it was the Commander in 45. I liked it so much, I ran back to GP Arms and got this one. It was the only thing he had in stainless steel and just what I wanted anyway, so I was quite happy. I did a video in the parking lot, but it just didn't turn out well, so I didn't release it. It does come with a pack, and it's got about 7 stickers, I believe, and comes with 2 cleaning brushes, a nylon brush, brass brush, ramrod, an instruction manual, and there's a patch in there as well. And the owner's manual is rather short. I guess they figure if you get one of their guns, you know what you're doing. So anyway, I'd say it's about 6-8 pages. Got the safety warning. Got the nomenclature. Slide, stop, lever, how everything works. Disassembling. Take apart. And then your information. So anyway, overall it's a nice little additional package they offer. It did come in a bag. It was just full of creosote, cosmoline, sorry, felt like creosote. And it came with 2 mags. So we'll pull these out and move on. So it's a really nice pistol overall. It is all gummed up. I haven't shot it. I haven't even cleaned it. But I did take it out of the box 2 or 3 times looking at it. Yeah, it's a beauty. No machine marks can be found on it whatsoever, except right here. You can see there's a little bit of a machine mark inside the Picatinny rails. I'm covering up the serial number. So does have a real nice green fiber optic front. I think it's a Heine sight is kind of what it's a copy of. So anyway, real nice. It does have some etching in the back, and it does have 2 dots, but there's nothing in the dots. I guess you could fill them in if you wanted. On the box it says that these are GP sights, so I'm guessing GP Arms ordered these. My 45, I was on a waiting list for about 18 months and before it came, because it was a 45, and they had a couple batches of 9s that came in, and so I decided to snatch this while it was available. So sights we went over. The barrel, I measured it. Even though it's protruding from the slide, it's exactly 5 inches from here to here. So that it is a 5-inch barrel. It does have a Picatinny rail. The safety is very audible, real nice, single-sided. The slide stop does have some nice little hexagonal pattern there. It does have some texture up top, smooth on the bottom, real nice. The hammer is skeletonized from the middle, also from the side. As far as the machining goes, they did a great job. I'll move it around so you can see real good, but absolutely no gaps right there or here. And the slide is very tight. It could be from the Cosmoline, but I think it's a tight slide. The blending here is just perfect as well. I'm not sure if you can see that or if it's out of focus, but really nice. The trigger has a little bit of side to side, but not a millimeter. It's tight. The up and down is good. The barrel has 0 play. This is a bull barrel, so it takes apart rather easily. Does have a double spring in there, so magazine pops out nice. Yeah, it's about what I was looking for. So let's do some measurements on this. And the grip is 1.3 inches wide, and the slide, the safety, gets all the way out to 1.4 inches. So it's very easy to get to. The nine 92 hundredths of an inch wide. The slide is measurement, and this is guaranteed the 5 inches. I told you. Yep, 5 inches there. So weight, 2 pounds 6 ounces. So 38 ounces. So 3 ounces lighter than the Shadow 2, if memory serves. I believe it's 41. So anyway, that's the weight. We've covered about everything. And if you got any questions, let me know. I will be comparing this to the Staccato P in next week or two. So if you got any questions, let me know. This is Weldon Well Armed. Have a great day, and be sure to like, follow, and subscribe. And have a good day. Cheers.